Okay, this is insane. Guys, we just got it to work. DJI Fly on the DJI Spark. So I am the first to fly a Spark through the DJI Fly app. Okay, so I got a little bit of a different style video for you guys today. We're gonna be testing the DJI Spark running on the DJI Fly app. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna download the DJI Fly app. Okay, so we have that downloaded. So now we're gonna head into it. We're gonna take out the DJI Spark remote. We're gonna plug it into the drone. Sorry, plug it into the phone. We're gonna turn that on. We're gonna turn the drone on. So I was reading this article, and some guy actually did it with the Mavic Air. And I'm not sure if it'll work with the Spark, but we're gonna try it. Okay, so apparently once open, we're gonna open it. Actually, we're gonna close this first. We're gonna open it. Okay, so now it's saying allow DJI Fly to access DJI Inspire 1. I'm not sure what it's thinking. This is a DJI Spark, completely the opposite of an Inspire 1. So we're just gonna tap OK. Okay, nothing so far. Okay, so it says aircraft not connected. So now we're gonna do what they said, and we're gonna force close this. We're gonna come back in here, open it up again. Got nothing so far. I'm gonna try unplugging this, plugging it back in. He said it may take 2 or 3 times to get it right. I've tried like 4 times now. This might be a glitch in the system actually. So we come back in here. Flashes the Spark. Oh. Yo, we got it to work. We got it to work. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is insane. Guys, we just got it to work. DJI Fly on the DJI Spark. Okay guys, for those of you who don't know, DJI Fly app is actually for the Mavic Mini. Apparently there's a glitch in the system and it allows you to get it on the Spark. That's what I've done today. As you can see there, Mavic Mini Fly app, and it's connected to the Spark remote.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map. Landing.
Guys, so my camera just died actually. I was not prepared for that, but I was able to fly it through the DJI Fly app. I'm actually filming on my phone right now. Sorry for the shakiness. Yeah, it worked. That was pretty crazy though. So I am the first to fly a Spark through the DJI Fly app. Yeah, let's go. Okay, see you guys in the next video. Peace out.